In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet your mic is muted by system settings. If you're seeing that message in Google Meet, it usually means Windows has muted your microphone at the device level or an app like your browser is stuck in a muted state. We'll walk through a reliable fix that checks your microphone settings and resets any app-specific mutes, then get you back to being heard clearly. Start by opening the classic Windows sound settings. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. In the field that appears, type mmsys.cpl and press Enter. This opens the sound control panel, which gives you more granular control than the basic settings app. Go to the Recording tab. You'll see a list of microphones connected to your PC. Find the one you actually use for meetings. This is often your headset mic or your laptop's built-in array. Right-click that active microphone and choose Properties. This opens a window just for that device. Switch to the Levels tab. Here, look at the small speaker icon next to the volume slider. If you see a red no symbol on it, the device is muted at the system level. Click the icon once to unmute it. Then slide the volume to 100% so we can rule out any level issues while testing. You can always bring it down later for comfort, but for troubleshooting, full volume helps confirm everything's working. Now let's address a common culprit. Sometimes specific apps, like your browser, can get stuck muted in the background. To clear that, open Windows Settings, then click System, and then Sound. Scroll down and select Volume Mixer. This page controls audio per app. At the very bottom, click Reset under Reset Sound Devices and Volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults. This restores app volume and mute states to normal, which often frees up Chrome or any other browser that's been silenced without you realizing it. With those changes in place, go back to your Google Meet tab in the browser and refresh the page. A fresh reload makes Meet recheck your permissions and pick up the updated Windows audio state. When the page comes back, you should no longer see the Muted by System Settings warning, and your microphone input should register as expected. That's it. By unmuting your microphone at the device level and resetting per app audio, you remove the two most common causes of this error. If your volume is now too high, feel free to return to the Levels tab and adjust it to a comfortable setting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got your voice back in the meeting.